Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a works cited page using Google Docs and using the Easybib add-on with Google Docs. It's very easy. You're going to open up your essay on Google Docs, or you can even open up a new blank Google Doc if you want. I want you to find the tab that says add-ons up in the toolbar. When you go to add-ons, you're going to click on Get Add-on if you do not have the Easybib add-on already. After you click Get Add-on, you're going to either search Easybib or sometimes it'll show up on the screen. So you can see down in the right-hand corner, Easybib right here. You would click on it to install it into your add-ons. Once you've installed it one time, it will always be there in your add-ons. I already have it in there, so it says installed. When I want to use it, I go back to add-ons and you can see that it is already listed here. So I will go to this Easybib bibliography creator, click on manage bibliography. It will pop up in the right hand side of my screen and it will be here when I want to use it. So next I'm going to plug in my website URL link here, but I want to make sure that website is clicked instead of book here, website. Then I will go grab my URL link. Here I have one from history.com and I will paste it in, press search. It will appear right here, press select. And it has now created an MLA formatted citation, but you don't want to just copy and paste it from right here because the formatting won't be right when you transfer it over to your page. So go ahead and use that orange button that says Add Bibliography to Doc. Boom! Like magic, it appears over here. However, I can see that there is one problem already that you're going to have to change manually. The font. It basically copies whatever font you had selected already. So Google Docs just automatically has Arial font size 12. So you're going to want to make sure you copy and paste that, or sorry, make sure you highlight that, change the font to Times New Roman size 12, because that is the proper font for MLA format. Next, you're going to then go and do the same process for each website that you have. So I'm going to take my next website link, copy, paste, select, and add to bibliography. It's technically called a works cited page. These are going to be the sources that you actually cite within your paper. A bibliography is a little bit different, but I won't get into that. Take my last website link, copy, paste. Select, and add to doc. Okay, when you use Easybib, the Easybib add-on, it nicely formats it for you in the correct formatting. It also puts your citations in the correct order. So on a works cited page, the sources should always be listed in alphabetical order. So you can see that it has done that for me. There is one problem that I see with one of my sources, which I sometimes have to change manually. This second one. It is saying that the author for history.com is the history.com editors. That's what Easybib has found. I don't like that. I don't think that the editors are the authors. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that so that it doesn't have an author. And that's what I've told you guys. If there is no author, you're going to use the article title in your citation. And that's exactly what I have here is the article title. But now I need to move this citation up because black, the word black, should come before the word bubonic in alphabetical order. So I'm going to move it. There we go. And then copy and paste this onto a new page in your essay and you are good to go. Actually, there's one more thing I wanted to mention. When you are trying to see if you've done your citations correct in your paper, your parenthetical citations, this is what I look for. I look at your works cited page and I look at what is first here is what I should see in your parenthetical citations in your essay, which means in those parentheses, in the citations that are in parentheses. So I would expect to see this, Black Death, in the parentheses in your paper. I would expect to see this article title cited. However, this is a little bit long, so if it were me, I would shorten this title in my paper, and I would instead just cite bubonic plague within my paper, because long titles like this, they don't look good when you put the entire long title within the body of your paper. It causes a distraction when you're reading a paper. And then this is an author's name, so I would expect to see this last name in a citation. Okay, that's it. Bye.